I'm in Victoria's Mornington Peninsula to see a freshly built prefab dream home that is high-end without the price tag. With most of the work completed off-site, prefabricated homes are transported on trucks, then typically craned into position on the desired spot. This can make for a very rapid build, which is exactly what homeowners Fergus and Edwina discovered when creating their prefab dream home in one of Victoria's most idyllic locations. Our journey takes us to the picturesque Mornington Peninsula, just an hour southeast of Melbourne in Victoria. Fergus and Edwina found their perfect piece of land, but the existing home, well, it left nothing to be desired.
So when we first moved onto the land, there was an old brick homestead that had been renovated a couple of times. It was starting to fail. The slab had...
It sank in one corner by about an inch from one corner of the house to the other.
So we knew that we had to do something.
So our thought pattern was that we'd extend the house, and we went down that path. We got planning permits to do that, and when the pricing came in, we decided that it was more than we wanted to spend on a renovation, and that's when Edwina started to investigate something different, being the modular homes.
We had that light bulb moment of this is what we're going to do. It's something a little different for us to build, modern than I suppose we would normally choose to build.
I think the trigger for me was having such a cold house to live in, and we needed to get something warmer quickly.
Well, hello. Hi, Edwina. I'm Deb.
Deb, hi.
Good morning.
Fergus.
How are you?
Lovely to meet you. I'm great. Can I say, I've just driven down the most beautiful tree-lined road to get here. So how many acres have we got here?
Just over 12.
Okay, that's a good size.
It's a manageable size for us.
Is this a weekender or do you spend more time?
This is home.
This is home?
This is home.
Okay, beautiful. Well, do you want to take me inside? I'm desperate to have a look.
Very good.
Please,
Okay.
let's go.
Welcome.
100% custom built is the theme here. The spacious interior makes the most of its rural location, which is designed to take in these sweeping country views. So you've only just recently moved in?
Yes, only 5 weeks ago.
Wow.
Yeah, so we demolished the house that we were in on the 7th of December.
Right.
And about 14 weeks later, we moved into this new house.
14 weeks?
Yeah.
That's all it took.
It's fantastic.
So once you decided to do modular prefab, what's the story? You go up and you've got, half a dozen different designs, and you sort of then think about the land itself. How does it work?
Well, it started with me looking online, and so then I ran through with Ferg which one I thought to suit our home and lifestyle and family. I suppose what surprised us the most about building a modular home was the ease in which it all came together, and it was for us, a very stressless process.
Floor to ceiling windows, doors, wherever I look, was that part of the modular design?
But part of the design is it's a 2.7 metre
high
ceiling height. We probably went overboard on the glass.
But why wouldn't you look where you are? It's so beautiful.
Exactly. We wanted to be able to sit here in the lounge and look down at the animals in the paddock.
Well, it's lovely and cosy. I think there's a fire over there that's calling me. It just feels really solid. I mean, it's a lovely sort of warm feeling. It feels like a sort of a beautiful home that's been sort of handcrafted. But it's not. It's a modular house. But so tell me where it starts and finishes here.
Well, the modules basically have joined across here over about 4.5 metres.
Right.
And so in the factory, it's built with the flooring all installed, plasters installed, tiles in the bathroom, so toilets fitted. It's all complete. Kitchen, benches, the works.
This This is so cosy in here. It's just beautiful. I love this carpet, by the way. It's really lovely to come off those oak flooring into this area.
It's very special.
To me, this is what you should have in a bedroom. You
I
want to
agree.
get up, particularly, this is an area that's cold. You look out, you can find winter. I love the floor-to-ceiling glass doors. I think that's just something it's unexpected for me that you would have that in modular housing.
Yeah.
That's standard.
Yeah, okay.
That's not something we added. That's part of the deal.
Yeah, which is perfect for here.
And it's all commercial grade windows, so they're
And all double
powder coated.
glazed.
Beautiful. So this area, you've got your dressing and then the ensuite.
Yes, love the ensuite because it's got a heated floor.
So heated flooring throughout all the bathroom areas?
Yes.
And heated towel rails.
Yeah. Oh,
Who likes a wet towel?
nobody likes a wet towel, particularly in winter.
Yeah, true.
That's good.
Very true.
Well, where should we go to next, Belle? So we'll check it out. Let's go and sit by the fire.
She loves the fire. She loves the fire.
Tell me whether there is sort of a list of non-negotiable things when you entered into this. It's like you sat there and go, I want to have a fireplace. What are the things that you went, we absolutely need to include these in the design?
Definitely the fireplace for Ferg. That's
Fireplace was number one.
And being on the property, we have so much wood, so
Yes.
that's a constant supply that we don't need to bring in.
You've been a real estate agent for quite some time. I would have thought over those years you would have seen quite a few prefab houses. Was that what drew you to it in the first place?
Look, yes, I have seen quite a few, but it was more the fact that the traditional build is a 12-month, 18-month process, and we wanted to speed that process up. And having seen people do these modular homes before, we thought, that's something that we can do.
Yeah. Do you think that's why people gravitate towards them? Because of it's less stress, you know what you're going to get at the end, the costs don't blow out as much?
Yes, I definitely think you're right. It's an easier option
Yeah.
all round.
Yeah. Do you have a favourite area in the house that you
I
like?
think our bedroom, it's really become a haven. I mean, it's beautiful. It's such a relaxing den. It's lovely. Ferg and I think we're in a hotel every night.
Which is beautiful.
Pretty smart. I'm waiting for room service.
She says with a wink in his eye. Yeah. Thank you so much for allowing us to come in and have a look. It's really beautiful. It's a really gorgeous place. So
Good.
Congratulations.
Thank
and enjoy
you.
your dream home.
Thank you very
Very well,
much.
thank you.
If you have a busy lifestyle, and frankly who doesn't, then prefab homes may be the ideal solution for creating your dream home. With quicker build times and more controlled costs, this type of construction is an attractive alternative for both entry-level builders and those with high-end expectations who want things done fast. These dream homes really impressed me. They were well designed and efficient, but not cold or unwelcoming, and I could tell they will be loved for many years to come. So, is prefab the way of the future? Certainly something to consider for your next dream home.